Good morning, guys. Today we got a full day of eating keto and I'm getting ready to take my butt to work. So let me show you everything that I'm going to get in and what I'm bringing to work so you guys kind of have an idea. For like work lunch is going to be leftovers for me today, but yeah, let's pack my bag. Let me show you what I got and we're going to get into this day. All right, so going in the fridge, I'm going to bring this Tupperware because all of our other ones are gone and I can't find them. So anyways, right here is a little bit of leftovers from dinner yesterday. Right here is like a cauliflower rice. I took 2 bags of frozen cauliflower rice. I fried up a little onion, a little mushroom. I cooked them all together. And then I added 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and seasoned it with Slap Yum Mama Cajun seasoning for like a little kick. And then I topped it with a couple pieces of Chihuahua cheese or quesadilla cheese, and that's it. And then right here is just 4 ounces of salmon. I fried that in some butter with the skin on, and then I took the skin off and I seasoned it with lime zest and some more of that Slap Yo Mama seasoning. So that's gonna be our lunch. And then for snack or whatever, if I'm hungry still, I bring one of these Fat Snacks double chocolate chip cookies. These are very, very good. I believe they are, hold on, yeah, 2 carbs per cookie. So they're really good, but they are a little high with the carbs. But you know, if I want to have it with my coffee just to get me through a rough work day, that's what I'm about to do. So yeah, that's our lunch. I'm bringing a big thing of water with me, and then I fill it up at work. So I always bring a big canister or a big like water cup with me, and I fill it up throughout the day as I go. Let me find one. Yeah, so I usually do that. Now I have it dig in the cabinet. Anyways, I usually bring that, fill it up as I go, because we do have like the water machines. I work in a hospital, so y'all know about hospital ice and all that stuff. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make me some coffee. So what I usually do is I'll have one here, and then I bring one in a cup that's like a thermal cup, and then I have it like throughout report. And then like when I'm getting ready and before I hit the floors. I am a registered respiratory therapist, so I don't really have one area. If I have the ICU, I just stay in the ICU, but I see all the patients in the ICU. Or if I'm like on the general floor some days, I have to hit multiple floors. Or if I just have to see patients for instruct, I do that as well. So each day is different. I'm all over the place. I just run all day long. So I don't tend to bring a lot of food, just something that'll kind of fill me up but not keep me overly full, because I don't have the time to get tired. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna make my coffee. My first cup of coffee, I am gonna go ahead and use the Perfect Keto MCT oil powder, just because I forgot to shut my fridge, just because I'm gonna need the extra boost of energy this morning. And that's pretty much it. That's gonna be our day. I should be home before 3 o'clock, and then we'll figure out what's for dinner. Today is Friday, so usually on Fridays if I'm working, I don't tend to cook, and if it is something, it's something usually really light, sandwiches or something. That's what I'm thinking we'll probably do, is sandwiches or something. But all right guys, I will check in with you later on this afternoon. Let's go to work. Let's make this money, honey. Happy Friday. Let's do it, okay?
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of it.
Hey guys, I am home from work. Showed you what I went ahead and had. I had that salmon with that like cauliflower rice mixture. And yeah, so I ended up getting off of work early. It's about 1:30 and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and I made myself kind of like a lunch, like a light lunch, because I'm not entirely too sure on what I'm going to do for dinner tonight. But I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I made. It's really simple. And yeah, so let me show you. All right, so what I did is I took some lettuce, and I'm just having like a lettuce wrap because I have been staying away from all the low carb breads and wraps and stuff like that. I felt like those were really unnecessary carbs for me, and it was really just bloating me, and I really feel like that was just, it just wasn't working for me. I'm not saying you have to do that. I'm just saying that's just what I decided to do. Like I said, I was just trying to clean up I'm still doing like lazy keto, but I wanted to clean it up a little bit, not like be super dirty lazy keto, but just like a little lazy, like moderate lazy. But anyways, so I got some lettuce. I do have 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise underneath there, just for some fat. I have 2 ounces of turkey breast, so that is 1 carb. This turkey breast is 1 carb. I looked it up when I was at the deli. And then I have some fresh pepperoni slices for 0 carbs, and I have 1 ounce of quesadilla cheese for 0 carbs. So that's gonna be my lunch. I'm just gonna roll it up and have that to eat. And yeah, that's pretty much what lunch is looking like. Okay, so I'm starting to make myself my dinner. I decided to just do something real easy, and we're having breakfast for dinner. So I decided to do the cream cheese pancakes. I do know that they have like a keto version of like a powdered mix. I think it's from like Birch Benders or something. And that's 5 net carbs. For this one, for 2 ounces of the cream cheese, for the brand I used, it's 4 carbs. Yeah, so it's 4 carbs for that with the 2 eggs. And then I'm going to go ahead and sweeten them with a little bit of, what do you call this, like flavoring? I don't know. Well, I have a choice. I have either the cake batter or the maple extract. I think I'm going to actually go ahead and use the cake batter in here. The maple one tastes just as good. But CHOCZERO went ahead and sent me over some stuff to try, and they sent me their maple syrup, and I heard this stuff is legit. So this is 1 net carb per serving. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try with my pancakes. So I'm going to throw that in there. And then I have some bacon cooking up, and then I'm gonna actually fry my pancakes in the bacon grease so I can get that extra fat, and that's gonna be what's for dinner. But I'm gonna show you what they also sent me. I've tried one already and they are so good. So when I got home, CHOCZERO had sent me a package, and this is what was in there. They sent me these milk chocolate pieces. These are 1 carb per piece, no sugar alcohols or anything like that. And they also sent me the dark chocolate. These are 1 carb as well. I haven't tried the dark chocolate, but I did try the milk chocolate, and they are about this big. These are delicious. I like to keep my stuff in the fridge so it's nice and cold, and it has like a little bit of a crunch. These are phenomenal. And I was eating like other brands. I don't want to like call out the other brand, but they were messing up my stomach with all like the sugars in them, like whatever it was, like the artificial sweeteners. And this does not have any of that. So 0 sugar alcohols, 4 carbs, 3 dietary fiber. This stuff is lit. It's made with monk's fruit. This is really, really good. So if you guys have issues with like the artificial sweeteners and, you know, the whatever it's called, and it messes up your stomach, because that's what like all the other brands are doing to me, CHOCZERO is where it's at, guys. I'm just gonna empty this out in here, but this is so freaking good. So no sugar added, no sugar alcohol, soy, gluten-free. I love this. So I'm excited to have these because I always love a sweet treat. But yeah, so I actually had 2 of those, so 2 carbs. And yeah, so 2 carbs for my snack, and then 4 carbs for the pancakes with 1 carb for the syrup. So that's 5. We're looking pretty good around here. So we'll do a carb count at the end. So what I do for mine is I just throw 2 eggs with 2 ounces of cream cheese and a little bit of whatever extract you want. In here I blend them, and then I just fry them in the frying pan. And then I'll have that with some bacon, and that's going to be what's for dinner. This is a real low-key, easy Friday night, honey.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right.
Okay, so here is my dinner. Yeah, breakfast for dinner. I think people call it Brinner. I don't know. I love it. I'm here for it, and it was really easy. And I only have to cook for myself tonight because the kids are gone and Leo's working late. So I'm gonna eat this, and I'm probably gonna go to the gym, to be honest. So I feel like, I guess because I have the opportunity to just kind of come and go as I please, that's something I should do. So anyways, I have this CHOCZERO maple syrup. I put the 20 grams in there for 1 carb. So 4 carbs for the cream cheese plus 1 carb for the syrup. That is 5 carbs. Bacon is 0 and the eggs were 0, so 5 carbs for that. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and I will tell you the total carbs at the end of the screen here so you guys can see what I am working with for the day. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock. I had my breakfast, or my breakfast for dinner, not my breakfast. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these YOLO shots here. These are a grand total of 3 carbohydrates. So if you guys haven't been with me, I only take a half of this because it's that good and that strong, and then I usually use the other half for like the next day. So I like these because they do have, the YOLO shots do have the CBD oil in there, and the Sunday Scaries, that's what I use for all my CBD gummies and drops and all that stuff. I absolutely love this stuff. It's a really good, it's a really clean form of energy without like the jitters and like feeling nauseous and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna take that. So and then we're gonna go to the gym. Today I'm going to do legs. I usually break my leg day up into 2 different days. Today is where I use mostly all the machines, and I do like moderate weights but lots of reps, and then I will do probably about 25 minutes of cardio and some ab work. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure you take lots of water because you want to stay hydrated. And yeah, let's do a carb count for the day so far. So I had 2 cups of coffee this morning, with one of them being with the Perfect Keto MCT powder. This has 0 grams of carbs, okay? This is my favorite one right now for my coffee in the morning because I don't have to use a lot of sweetener, and I'm running out of, I'm running out of sugar. So I had 2 cups of that, so that was 2 carbs. My meal was nothing, but I did have those cookies today, and that was 4 because I had 2 of them, so that's 6 carbs. And then I came home, I had the pancakes with the syrup. That was 5, so we're up to 9. And then I had 2 pieces of the, where'd my light go? I had 2 pieces of the chocolate for 2 more, 11. And then we'll say 2 for that. We'll say about 13 carbs-ish. And then I had the turkey, which was 2 carbs. So 15 carbs for the day. That is net carbs. That is kind of how I do it. If you guys have been with me for a while, I used to do a lot of wraps or breads, all those things. I've been really staying away from them, and I have definitely seen that I have been losing more of the inches. I feel like I don't feel as bloated anymore. Like I said, I just try to clean out the fat a little bit. Not literally the fat, but I just kind of like cleaned up my eating just a little bit to see if I could see better results and didn't feel as sluggish with all those like low carb options. You know, I know keto is very popular right now, but I try to do it. That's why I haven't done like that pancake mix or anything like that. I just try to make everything myself so I know for sure what's in it. I've even been staying away from like coffee shops and stuff like that because I've been just trying to, you know, do it myself. Not to say I won't go to any of them, but it's just, I just don't like putting my keto life into a barista's hands. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take my pre-workout, get my butt to the gym, and that's it. So you're gonna be seeing this video on Monday. I hope your Monday's doing great. This week I had started the beef and butter fast. So you will be seeing the results of said beef and butter fast this week. So yeah, all right, let's go to the gym and then I'll pop back in when I'm done, okay? All right, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym a little while ago. I jumped in the shower, took off my makeup. I did go to the gym with my makeup on, but I don't make that a habit. I'm just not that girl, but I like had the momentum. I was like, let me just go get this workout done, you know. But yeah, so I came home, took my makeup off, took a body shower, in my pajamas, put my glasses on, and I am just going to relax. I am watching some like show on Hulu. If you guys are keeping up with Handmaid's Tale, what you guys think? What are you guys thinking about this season? I feel like nothing has happened all season into this very last episode. And if you guys are confused, I'm talking about just incinerator. That's all I'm talking about. That's all I'm gonna say. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Hopefully this is giving you some ideas about like what I eat. You know, not every day is a gourmet meal. Some days you have leftovers. Some days it's like an easy sandwich wrap. Some days you have breakfast for dinner. you make it to the gym, you just go on with life. I feel like some people get so consumed with the idea of what's keto, what should I eat, oh my gosh, you know, where it's really easy. You know, you just kind of, you know, you get used to it. It's a change, but you do get used to it. You kind of wrap your life around it. Okay, so I'm going to finish my water. I'm still drinking water. I drink water throughout the whole day. I really had a taste for a Powerade, but I did not want to go to the store. I'm gonna go pick up some for this beef and butter fast though. But all right guys, I love you guys. Thank you so much. If you guys are interested in trying anything that I had today, I'll leave the links for the Perfect Keto MCT powder oil. I'll leave the link for the CBD stuff down below. I'll leave the link for, if I can find links for the extracts, the maple or the cake batter, I love them both. Like, I'm really excited for the maple extract for like keto donuts. I'm gonna figure it out. And then, what else did I have today? Oh, the CHOCZERO. The guys, that maple syrup was legit really thick maple syrup. Like, it was like hella thick. It was thicker than me. That stuff was thick. Like the kind that you would like get in the tugs, you know, like the real expensive ones, so the jugs, whatever. That's how it was. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna relax. My legs are shaking because they are tired from the workout. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye guys.
Lost again, going back